In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Odoo Inventory Management. To get started, open Odoo and go to the main dashboard. From there, click on Inventory. This will take you into the Inventory Management area where you can view the main tools and information related to your stock. If you're new to this section, this is essentially the central place where Odoo helps you monitor product quantities, warehouse activity, and stock-related updates. Once you're inside, you'll see your inventory stats. This area gives you a quick overview of what's happening with your inventory. Depending on your setup, you may see useful summaries such as current stock levels, pending operations, or other key inventory indicators. This is helpful because it lets you quickly understand the status of your inventory without having to open each section one by one. Next, click on Products. In this section, you can browse through your product list and select any item you want to review or update. When you open a product, you'll be able to edit inventory-related details and check its stock information. This is especially useful when you need to confirm available quantities, review product records, or make changes to keep your inventory accurate. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct product before editing anything, since inventory data affects your stock tracking and reporting. If you need to adjust your actual stock counts, go to Operations and then select Physical Inventory under the Adjustments section. This is where you can enter the counted quantity for each item based on your real, physical inventory. In other words, if you've done a manual stock count in your warehouse or storage location, this is the place where you record those numbers in Odoo. After you enter the physical counts, Odoo will automatically calculate the adjustment for you. That means the system compares what was counted in real life against what was previously recorded in the system and then updates the difference accordingly. This saves time and reduces the chance of manual calculation errors. It's a very useful feature when you want your system records to match your actual stock as closely as possible. As a quick tip, always review your entries carefully before finalizing adjustments, especially when working with large inventories or high-value items. Accurate counts help keep reporting reliable and make future operations much smoother. And that's all you need to know to access Odoo Inventory Management and begin reviewing products and updating physical inventory.